Good evening to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a haul of Ralph Lauren linen shirts that I picked up on eBay. Yeah, guys, welcome back to one of many unboxing videos that I've done recently. I am buying a lot of, I guess, secondhand pieces and pieces from eBay as of late and sharing them with you guys. So sorry for the bombardment of unboxing videos, but I do want to talk about one of them that I did recently, which is the unboxing of a Brooks Brothers dress shirt, because I talked about in that video this idea that I want to explore corporate wear more. Because I work in an office environment, it's a requirement to kind of wear that that style. It's got to dress standard, everything like that. And I wanted to look at, off the rack brands for that kind of thing. But what I want to explore in today's video is that, but more casual, something a lot more casual, I'll say, comparatively. What I bought these 3 linen shirts to do is to be worn more casually in the office instead of going, 100% corporate all the time. Something that will still meet the dress standard, but isn't as traditional, I guess, or as corporate attire looking compared to my traditional wear of suit pants, button-up shirt or button-down shirt, and a blazer, and or a sports coat in that circumstance. So what I have bought is 3 linen shirts, and when you hear linen shirts, you probably immediately think of the style, I guess the very European style of a washed out pastel color, form-fitting, button-up shirt. That's probably what you would think of when it comes to a linen shirt. A very, typical style that looks very much like a dress shirt, like a corporate shirt or a business shirt, but in a linen fabric in a pastel kind of washed out color. This is Ralph Lauren, and because that brand is inspired by American heritage and American styles, that's not really present here. What I've actually got amongst these is probably a style more reminiscent of like a lumberjack shirt or a plaid shirt, but instead of it being done out of wool or cotton, it's in linen. And that's what I'm going to be unboxing in today's video. So I bought it to wear it in a more casual setting or corporate casual. I bought this because linen, soft, lightweight fabric, perfect for summer, which I'm currently in. And I wanted to kind of try these styles out as well. And what better place to try styles out than like $10 to $20 shirts from eBay, right? No, these are all lovely. I think they all are in a 2XL. Now, if that is a Ralph Lauren 2XL, that is an Australian 3XL. So these shirts may be massive on me, but I'm really keen to unbox all of them with you guys. I picked up a couple of them from Australia, one of them from Ukraine. That's pretty awesome. And that's what I'm going to be getting into today, guys. So now that I've explained why I picked them up, how I ideally want to wear them, everything about them, it's time to get into them, right? Let's unbox these 3 linen shirts and dive into them today. So what do we think? Should we do the one from Ukraine last? I feel like that one will be kind of fun. I'm going to do that one last. So this is the one from Ukraine. It's just been labeled used shirt. There you go. Let's get into the first one here. So we have, I actually don't know which one it's going to be, actually. It's kind of a bit like Russian roulette in that kind of way, because it is just a mystery on what you're going to get in that circumstance. We shall see. It's obviously, like I said, going to be more of that plaid style than traditional European, but let's get into it here. Okay, let's get this out of the bag. The first one that we have, lovely blue color, by the way. We have this one here. As I said, traditional plaid-like style, linen fabric. I'll bring it up to the screen as well. We can see up here. Ralph Lauren, classic fit on the tag there, and then across 2XL, made in the Philippines. It must be relatively new because I can see a QR code on the side of it here, so it must be one that's been made at least in the last 10 years. I'll come down to the fabric tag and have a look down here for what it's made of, but should be exactly what I bought, which is linen. Let's have a look. 100% linen. It feels it as well. Doesn't feel as heavy as cotton. It's got 2 extra buttons still attached to it. This is just a nice classic fit shirt that, like I said, I feel like this would work well in corporate casual. If it's too casual, I can still wear it in a casual setting, which is perfectly fine. But that is the first one. Nice blue color there, lightweight fabric, keeps a room. This is going to be massive on me. That's perfectly fine though. We'll move this first one over here. Tuck it over there. We'll move into the second one from Australia. Where did we pick this one up from? Victoria. Let's go. Good old Victoria. Okay. Let's get into this one as well. I think this one will be the... What one will this one be? I think it's the yellow and blue one, if I remember correctly. Or yellow and green. I don't remember the exact colors. Anything in the bag? Nothing in the bag. Oh, yes. Okay, cool. Nice little thank you sticker. I actually think buying secondhand from eBay, you get a lot more personalized touches on a lot of these things than you do buying it from retail in a lot of circumstances. Unless you're buying from those more high-end boutiques, I suppose, then you might have a situation where that's not the case. But this one, lovely yellow and blue color, good combination actually, quite nice there. We have, oh, actually this one's a sub-label. This one is not just your generic Polo Ralph Lauren. This is Lauren, or yeah, Lauren, Polo Ralph Lauren, or Lauren Ralph Lauren, which is, I gotta remember the 10,000 different sub-labels that they have. It primarily focused in women's wear, but also did some men's corporate wear and men's casual attire. You can probably correct me on that one. There's so many to remember. I'd have to remember what exactly this label did. But all in all, lovely color. Overall fit of it, classic fit as well. Something that's not going to be super fitted. And honestly, probably the style that I'm going to buy moving forward, and is more difficult to buy moving forward these days. You know, a lot of brands traditionally do very form-fitting, slim fit. It's not for me. It's not going to fit my body type very well. It makes it look like I'm about to burst out of it. While a classic fit, I like the way it looks on me. I like the way that it sits. That's why I'm generally going for more classic fit shirts these days as well. But those are the 2 Australian ones. We've got that yellow and blue. Love that color combination. And the blue on blue, basically. Now we'll get into the last one. The one from Ukraine. Let's have a look. This one I think was the most expensive, mainly because of the shipping, not because of the actual price of the shirt itself. But I really wanted it because it just looked nice. It was a 2XL. Didn't have any complaints about it. Here we have it here. I'll see if there's anything, nothing in the bag. Cool. I'll tuck that one over here. This fabric feels quite nice. This is quite soft. I'll bring out, wrapped up quite nicely as well. This one is a slim fit. Can we tell? I think we can tell because it looks a lot slimmer than the other ones I just showed, but I still feel like this one's going to be wide enough where it's not overly apparent that it's a slim fit. Here we have it in the blue. Honestly, if I'm completely honest with you, the fabric design on this one looks so reminiscent of like a tablecloth, but it's a nice button down, slim shirt, 2XL, so it's still going to fit quite wide. I'll happily go with that. But that's all 3 of them unboxed out of their nice little bags there. Let's get to wearing them. Let's chuck them on and see how these shirts look. Okay, so let me just walk backwards enough so I can get myself fully into frame. Here is the first one. This is the slim fit, and I guess this will be a good comparison for you guys to see. So slim fit, more form-fitting, not a lot of room along the sides here. I think even when I move in certain ways, I guess the chest area opens up a little bit. So not the ideal fit for me, but if I was to critique it, the sleeves come up exactly where they need to be. The length is perfectly fine considering I'm wearing pants that are sitting at the waist. They were gonna hopefully fit okay anyway. This is it. Very plain, very simple, but actually I think it meets the exact purpose that I was looking for, which is more of a corporate attire. And I think this is a nice alternative to the Brooks Brothers shirts and other shirts that I look at when I'm trying to go for that kind of look. So I think this has achieved exactly what I'm looking for in that capacity. It's a nice color, it works quite well. Don't know if I'd wear it with navy pants like this. Maybe the numerous pairs of Ralph Lauren pants that I've picked up off of eBay recently, but a nice style, nice fit, all in all, nice shirt. We'll move on from this slim fit one to more of a classic fit now, which is going to be inherently wider. I'll have a look at that one. This one, however, I've convinced myself that this is a woman's shirt, mainly because it is Ralph Lauren, but it buttons the wrong way or the opposite way. I'm so used to buttoning it this way, but I buttoned it that way instead. I don't know how best to describe that. The sleeves are also really short, and I don't know if that's intentionally designed, but also, what woman is wearing a 2XL and also fits my size like this? These have got to be intentional design choices, but I'm just wondering, is it like because it's a woman's shirt? But the color looks really nice. I gotta say that. I feel like I live in the US, or at least look like I live in the US. I think circumstance. I feel like I'm cosplaying as an American right now, but yeah, the fabric's nice. The sleeves feel really strange. I'm not used to sleeves being so short, but in saying that, I'd never actually have to worry about rolling them up, because this is actually the perfect length to ever do anything, not have to worry about rolling up your sleeves. So I'm conflicted on this one. I like the colors, the fit of it feels perfectly fine. But if you were to tell me that it's a women's shirt, I would not be surprised, because it buttons weird, sleeves are short. But again, I'm just perplexed, because what woman is a 2XL at this size, you know? maybe these are just the design choices of Ralph Lauren, you know? Maybe that's just the difference. But all in all, nice colors, nice fabric. Can't complain about this one. So I actually think this is the best one. This is the best one out of the three that I've bought. This is the classic fit, so not slim, 2XL, and just the traditional polo Ralph Lauren mainline. Linen fabric, sleeves getting to the point where it's actually a bit long, because look at this sleeve over here. I have to really push my arm out to kind of get it to come back. So almost too long, but too long is a way better problem to have than too short. You can always get it, pulled back a little bit in that circumstance. But yeah, very nice fit. Fabric's really nice. I do feel like I am cosplaying an American quite a bit here, but hey, perfect. Exactly what I'm kind of looking for, right? I feel like I could get away wearing this in a corporate setting, minus the hat, obviously, but just a nice shirt all round. Linen, so lighter than cotton. I could actually feel like I could wear this in the Australian summer and not be drenched in sweat, but there's only so much you can realistically do in these circumstances in Australia, because our weather is pretty damn hectic a lot of the time. It's not necessarily hotter than other places in the world, but that UV light kills you so intense. But this is 3 out of 3. Let me know how you feel about this third one, or any of the ones that I wore prior. Which one's the best one? Let me know down in that comment section below. And there is all 3 of them, guys. There is my linen secondhand Ralph Lauren haul from eBay. My favorite one out of the 3, I actually think it goes to the last one, mainly because of the fit. I definitely thought that this one was going to be my favorite one, but then the slim cut definitely brought it down a couple points. And I do have to say, pattern design on it, it looked more and more like a dishcloth the more that I looked at it. This looks like something I clean my plate with. Look at that. By holding it like this, it looks like a dish towel. Just some thoughts on that. My favorite color though, definitely this one. Although the cut of it was just so different. I mean, it is, I don't know if it actually necessarily said that it was a classic cut anywhere on the actual garment. I'd actually have to have a look down at tags and whatnot. But yeah, it buttons the other way. The sleeves are short. It convinces me that this is a women's linen top. But if that's the case, they make some really big women's sizing. Or maybe it's a men's piece inspired by women's design choices. That's perfectly fine as well. But then just the classic Old Faithful, this blue one here, it ticked all the boxes that I need. Classic cut, 2XL, nice fabric, nice colors. I think this one's going to work the best out of all of them. But I'd love to hear any thoughts and opinions that you guys have. Let me know which one you like out of all of them here down in that comment section below. And of course, if you guys want me to keep unboxing the various things that I'm picking up in the world, let me know by giving me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on the video, a comment in that comment section down below. And if you haven't already, the best indicator you can give me is to subscribe to the channel. As mentioned in previous uploads, we're trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,985 subscribers before the end of the month. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we'll be able to reach that milestone before the end of December. But that is everything I have to say about them all unboxed, guys. I'm going to give these ones a good wash and try them out with various different other outfits and see how I can wear them in the office, because I need some lightweight shirts for summer. And I definitely think if I want that more corporate look, I'll go for more of those Brooks Brothers shirts that I've been finding on eBay. Definitely need to pick more of those up on the channel and show you guys those as well. But that's everything I have to say about these shirts. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you to everyone who sold them to me on eBay. And until the next unboxing video, the next Polo Ralph Lauren video, until the next streetwear talk video in general, catch you later.